So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check your mouse clicking speed online without using any software, or you can say the click rate of your mouse. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for ctscheck.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to the site, and here when you scroll down it says click test 10 seconds. Now here when you hit on the start button, a 10-second timer will start and you have to click faster. Let's just try it. Now I'll start clicking, and after some minutes it will after 10 seconds it will tell me how my mouse performance actually is. Now you can see currently it's saying nothing impressive, but I have 63 clicks in 10 seconds, and you can check yours here. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.